Hi student, today again we are with our same topic, area boundary region. Yesterday we have discussed about how can we find out using application of integration. Then after that we have seen that how can we find out area between a curves and between the given intervals there. And now today within same topic I am going to explain you how can we find out the area between two curves. So suppose we have given two curves here. Later, it's a first curve is y equal to fx. We have one of the curve y equal to fx there, and second curve maybe look we have take y equal to gx. So suppose we find out the area between the limit x equal to a and x equal to b. We have to find out the area between these two curves x equal to a and x equal to b. Then to find out this shaded region, what we do? We are going to first of all find out the area by using integration. Area between the limit a to b between the curve made by the curve y equal to fx. Then subtract the area made by the curve y equal to gx within the limit a to b. That means to find out the area between these two curves y equal to fx and gx, what we do? Integration over a to b, this fx dx, this gives the area enclosed in the region a to b made by the curve y equal to fx. Then minus a to b minus a to b gx dx. Then we can do when we subtract the area made by the curve y equal to gx between the limit a to b, then we get the area of curve. Then we get the area between two curves. Now look up. Just suppose if possible our curves are intersecting at this 2 points there. Then how can we find out this area? Just suppose we have two curves like that. We have a curve like y equal to fx here, and our second curve is y equal to gx. Now, we want to find out the area between these two intersecting curves. Then what we do? First of all, we are going to find out the intersection point between these curves. So suppose it's our intersection point x equal to a. This is our intersection point x equal to b. Then we are going to find out the area made by the curve y equal to fx, and then subtract the area made by the curve y equal to gx. Then we get our required area between these two curves. Then it's the same way, area given by a to b, y means our fx dx minus area made by a to b gx dx, or it can also be written by a to b fx minus gx dx. Now this is the method. Now after explaining method, we are going to be I am going to be explain this area between two curves by some selected problem. We start with our problem with our NCERT text. Look what is the problem, it's given there. It's given find the area of the region bounded by. Now in problem what we do? Find the area of region. Find the area of the region. Find the area of the region bounded by the parabola. Bounded by the parabola y equal to x square and the line y equal to mod x, and the line y is equal to mod x. Now we have a problem. We have to find the area of the region bounded by the parabola y equal to x square and the line y equal to mod x, y equal to mod x. Now what we do, first of all we have to be sketch the graph of we have to be sketch the draw the graph there. Then first of all look, we have to be the parabola y equal to x square. This is the equation of parabola y equal to x square. It's a open word parabola, symmetric about which axis? Symmetric about y axis. Then first of all we are going to draw a parabola there, a parabola symmetric about y axis having vertex 0 0. This is our parabola. This is our parabola y equal to x square. Open, it's symmetric about y axis. Now look, and the line y equal to mod x. In first coordinate, our x is positive there. Our x is greater than or equal to 0 there. That's in this this y equal to x. It's a y equal to x when our x is greater than or equal to 0. And y equal to minus x, then our x is less than 0. Now for given information of line, when we are going to plot the line, then y equal to mod x is given by, it's y equal to x, y equal to mx, means it's our line passes through origin, and y equal to minus x, again a line having a slope angle is what? Minus 135. It's a slope angle is what? 135 degree. It's a minus 1 slope, means tan theta is minus 1, means it's a 135 degree angle, means this is our y is equal to y is equal to minus x. First of all, this figure should be a symmetric. Now look, since our parabola is symmetric about y axis, then this region, now we have to find the area of the region bounded by the parabola and the line, means we have to find out this region and this region, and these both regions are symmetric to each other because our parabola is symmetric and lines are symmetric and these regions are symmetric. Then to get what we have to, first of all we have to find out this intersection point there. So suppose it's a B. Now look, it's our symmetrical problem of a symmetry problem of symmetry there. We are not going to find out the area of the region OAB and maybe take it's OCD. We are, since using symmetry, we are just going to multiply with 2 times the area of region OAB. To get our required result, what we have to do? Since using symmetry, we are just going to be multiply this with 2 times of area of region OAB. So it means just we are going to take this region. I am just going to now it's not I am going to find out the region OAB. It's just going to find out the region, this region, center region there by using what I discussed, area between 2 curves. We are just going to find out this center region by using area made by the line y equal to x and the minus area made by parabola y equal to x square. And then when we get this region, since these are both are symmetrical, we are just going to multiply with by 2 there. Now look, first of all we need there intersection point. It's a y equal to x square and line is y equal to x and line is y equal to x. Then we have to first of all find intersection point x equal to x square or x square minus x equal to 0 or x minus 1 equal to 0. Then we have x equal to 0 or x equal to 1. When we have x equal to 0, then y is equal to 0, putting here, putting y equal to x square. When our x is 1, then our y is then our y is 1. Now look, our x is 1 and y 1 means our intersection point. The intersection point of A is what? 1 1. This is our B is 1 0. Now we get the limit there, because this is our 0 0. This is our origin. Now we are going to find out the area made by the line between the region 0 to 1 and substitute by the area made by the parabola. Look, this is our calculation. After that, now we are going to find out our required area. Now, it's in first step we are yesterday I explained you. There are 4 or 5 steps into solve any problem belongs to our area bounded region. First of all, sketch the graph, draw the graph. Second is find out intersecting point there, and then third point is that find out the area using integration, and then lastly use an integration property, and lastly we have to just do a calculation there. Now look, our area is given by, I am just using symmetry, we are just going to multiply with 2 times integration. I am just going to find out this saddle area region. Limit is what? It's a 0 and this is our 1. 0 to 1. First of all, area made by line. What is our line equation? Y dx. But our y is what? Y is equal to x dx. We can write down y of line dx minus integration over 0 to 1 y up, write down here parabola dx. Now it's 2 times integration over 0 to 1. What is for line y equal to what? It's our, in this region our y equal to x dx minus 0 to 1 y is a parabola, it's a x square dx. I'm going to rub this question, it's not using. Now look, we have 2 times 0 to 1 x dx minus 0 to 1 x square dx. We are now going to integrate it. Now what we have, area is given by 2 times integration of x is what? X square by 2. Putting the limit 0 1. Integration of x square is what? X3 by 3. Putting the limit here 0 1. Now 2 times, I am going to put the limit here, x is 1 by 2. Putting when we are going to put 0, then we get 0, 1 by 2 minus 0. Then here we get again minus 1 by 3, and at 0 it's 0. Then now we are going to solve it. It's a 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Then our LCM is 6, 3 minus 2, 1 by 6, 2 into 1 by 6. Then we get 1 by 3 here. And our area is what? 1 by 3 square unit. Our area is what? 1 by 3 square unit. Now I am going to again explain you. Now we have to find out the area between the region for a curve y equal to x square and between the line y equal to mod x. Then first of all we are going to sketch a graph there. Y equal to x square represents open word parabola symmetric about y axis having vertex 0 0. Then first of all we are going to draw a parabola having vertex 0 0. It's open word parabola symmetric about y axis. Then we are going to solve y equal to x. In first coordinate y equal to mod x is given by y equal to x. In second coordinate it's a y equal to minus x. After drawing a line, now we have to find out the area between the region y equal to x square and y equal to mod x. It's example of what I am discussing. We are going to find out the area between two intersecting curves. Then how we can find out? First of all, we are going to find out intersection point, putting the y equal to x here. After getting intersection point, we are just going to find out this shaded region area, because using symmetry we are just going to multiply with 2 there. Now how can we get this shaded area? First of all, this is area made by line between the region 0, 1 by using integration. Then between the region 0 to 1, the area made by the curve. When I am going to subtract the area made by curve, then we get the area of shaded region. And multiplying with 2, we get the area of this both shaded region there. Now, then after integration, after explaining, we are going to integrate it. Its integration is so easy, putting the value and we solve it. Look up. In our topic, when we are able to, first of all, we have to be draw or sketch the graph there of any problem. Then 50 to 60% our burden is the indeed will be there, because then after that we have to be just find out what is the limit and how can we calculate the how can we integrate or calculate it. Now we are moved with our next problem. Move to the next problem. Now find the area of the region. Next problem, we have to find the area of the region xy is given by x square is less than or equal to y and less than or equal to y is less than or equal to x. Now look, we have a problem. We have to find the area of the region given by it's xy, order by xy is given by our y is greater than or equal to x square and y is less than x. Means what we have to find the area. Now we have to find the area between y is equal to x square, means x square equal to y and y equal to x. Now we have to find the area, including area between, we have to find out the including area between the curve x square y and y equal to x. It gives the information from here when we take x square is equal to y, means we have to draw x square equal to y, we have to draw the graph of the x square equal to y, and second we have to draw the graph of y is equal to x. Now it's a x square equal to y. Now it's our x square equal to y. Then again it's a graph of our last topic, y equal to x square or x equal to y. X square equal to y means again we have a upward parabola, open upward parabola, symmetric about y axis. Then first of all draw a parabola there. We have a parabola having vertex 0, 0 and the line y equal to x. This is our line y equal to x. Now we have to find the area between the region of parabola y equal to x square and y equal to x. Again from last topic, I hope we are going to just take y equal to x, putting here x. Then again we get our intersection point is what, x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. When x is 0, y is 0, then x equal to 1, then y is when our x is 1, then our y is 1. Then again our this intersection point is what, it's a 1, 1, and when we are going to draw here, then this is our point, sorry, it's a when our x is 1, then y is 1, when our then y is 0, then our x is, look, this is the parallel 1, then our its a point is our 1 and 0. Now look, we get the again limit, then we have to find out this saddle region area. Now how can we calculate the area between two curves? The area made by this line y equal to x minus the area made by the curve y equal to x square, then we get our required result. Then our area is given by, again limit, it's a 0 to 1, it's a 0 to 1, area made by the line y equal to x means x, just I will write x made by the line x dx minus limit 0 to 1 area made by the curve y equal to x square, and so we have put here x square dx. Now it's very easy. Now just we have to find out integration and putting the limit there, and we get our required solution there. What we do? Its integration is what? Area is given by, its integration is what? X square by 2, putting the limit 1 0 minus x3 by 3 0 1, then what we get here? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, so the second limit is 0 there, and I'm going to put there. Then what do we get? 3 minus 2, it's a 1 by 6 square unit. It's a 1 by 6 square units. This is our required answer. Now we are going to move with our next problem. Now we are going to start with our next problem there. Just suppose we are going to start with take a next example there. Now here we have to find the area of the region find the area of the region, find the area of the region, we have to find the area of the region. Again, order pair xy, where its given curve is our y is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to x square plus 1, and also it's less than or equal to x plus 1, and also given a third curve is there, it's a now look, we have to find the area of the region between the curve 0 greater than or equal to y, means y equal to 0, it means y equal to 0, it means it's our x axis, above the x axis, y is equal to x square plus 1, less than x square plus 1 means this is represent our parabola. When we are going to put the 1 is here, then it's a y minus 1 equal to x square. It's a representing a parabola having a vertex 1 0. Then we have to take the region below the parabola. Then now again 0 equal to y means above the x axis, x plus 1 representing a line below the line because y is less than or equal to x plus 1, and the curve 0 greater than or equal to x means it's a our positive y axis, and x equal to, but in the inward of our ordinate x equal to 2. Now from given information, first of all just going to take to first of all we have to sketch the graph. Then we are going to take the sketch the graph of y is equal to x square plus 1. I told you it's a y square equal to x square plus 1. Substituting this, then we have x square equal to y minus 1. Then it can be written as x square and y for vertex. When our x is 0, then x is 0. When our y is 0, then y minus 1 is 0, then y is equal to 1. Means we get our vertex 0 1. Means this represent a parabola which vertex is our 0 comma 1. Means now in this figure our vertex is not a 0 0. Just suppose it's our origin 0 0, but here our vertex is what? 0 1. Our vertex is what? 0 1. So suppose it's our 1 there. This is our vertex. Then we have to draw the parabola from here. This is our parabola. Y square equal to y is equal to x square plus 1. Now we draw a parabola y is equal to x square plus 1. Now we have a y is equal to x plus 1. We have a draw a line of y is equal to x plus 1. We are going to draw a line of y is equal to x plus 1. Mean when our x is 0, then y is 1. Means our line passes through here. When our x is 0, when our y is 0, then x is our minus 1. Then our x is what? Minus 1. Then to here minus 1. Then our line is draw. This is our line. This is our line. Y is equal to x plus 1. Now we need a ordinate x equal to 2. We need a ordinate x equal to 2. First of all, we are going to find out what is the intersection point there. We have a y is equal to x plus 1, then x plus 1 equal to x square plus 1, then again it's x square minus x 0, then x minus 1 equal to 0, then x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. At 0, y 0. Now we have a intersection point x equal to 0. Then when our x is 0, then y is 1. At x equal to 0, y is 1, and x equal to 1, y is 2. Then now look. Then at x equal to 1, y 2. Then this is our intersection point. This is our x equal to 1. When our x is 1, then y is 2 there. Now we get our intersection point x equal to 1 there. Then we are going to find out the region. Just take here. Just suppose not take. Just going to take this is our x equal to 2. Now look, we have to find out which region there. Y is equal to x square plus 1 means the area below this parabola, and 0 greater than or equal to y means above the x axis. Y is less than or equal to x plus 1. Below the line y is equal to x plus 1 means this region, and the region x is less than or equal to 2 means we have to find out the area between this region. We have to find out the area between this region, this saddle region. Then now we have plot the graph. We have draw the graph there. Now look, how can we find out the value there? I am just going to explain you. We have the graph there. To get this area, what we have to do? Now we have a limit, it's a 0 hour, and a max limit is what? Our x equal to 2. Now to get required area, we have to take the limit, so 0 to 2. Now this is our area met by a line. This area is met by line y equal to x plus 1. Then here we get x plus 1 dx minus the area met by the curve, met by our parabola, which is our y is equal to 0 to 2 x square plus 1. Here our parabola x equal to plus 1. Now we get the limit and then we get the point there. First of all, check out that it's one of the important problems asked in board there. We have find the limit between the region y is equal to x square plus 1 and we have to be vertical strip here. Look, first of all, in this problem, what we have to do here, we have to find below the region. Then we have to be, first of all, look here we have to be, we cannot find out this region by, because when we are going to minus this value there, look, one of the silly mistake I have done. Then our this by this area, I'm not going to find out this included area. And now look, we have to change the limit. That's my apology to you. Look, to get this area, we have to find out this area x equal to 1 and this. Then now to find out this area, now what we have to do that? Look, we have to use up this coordinate there. First of all, we are going to find out this area. How can we get this area between 0 to 1? Area met by line minus area met by the curve there. Then first of all, we have to find out area met by line. How can we find out? Generally we have to find out this area. Then we can take only area. This is because don't need a line there, because we have just to need this shaded area, because we have to find out region between the curve y is equal, less than or equal to x square plus 1. I am not taking this. Then we have to take this region there. Then this is area made by the parabola. Then between the region 0 to 1, we are going to take y. It's our x square plus 1 dx. And now look, in first way we are going to missing this area. Now this area is what? It's made by a line between the region 1 and 2. Then we have to create this. In last line we are going to substituting this. Now the region is what? It's a 1 to 2 area. This area is made by line. Our line is what? Y is equal to x plus 1 dx. Now we are going to be integrate it. After integration, going to put the value there, and you get our required result. This is for today class. And in our next class, we are going to discuss again a problem with our area bounded region there. Then at your home, please go to revise what I have done, what the problem I have explained you. Then thank you to all.